I, Arpit Shukla, STEM Enabler, introducing first ever Aerospace Experiential Learning Center of India, right here at DCM Young Entrepreneur School, Rajguru Nagar, Ludhiana. Aerospace Experiential Learning Center is a complete 360-degree experiential learning ecosystem for schools and students, focusing on each and every domains of science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics, that is STEAM education, imparting 21st century industrial skills, paving the pathway for students that allows individuals to enter into the innovation economy and close the gap by providing practical education. At DCMS, we integrate the different subjects of science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics and offer our students a practical approach to understanding the topics which fall under all these subjects. In addition to understanding where all these 5 aspects come into picture when we talk about any object in the world, be it a car or a pen or a bridge or a house, we believe that our students can only learn to think, design and solve the problems when we give them opportunities to them. So, with this, let's talk about the facilities which this lab is providing. On the first, we have industrial grade of technological marvels covering the domain of air, land and water. On the second, we have a design thinking based pedagogy culminating to providing practical application for science and mathematics concept from syllabus. And then we have a dedicated trained faculty to guide and mentor activities and competition. And this lab is also an access to a young entrepreneurship and career growth modules through hands-on case study based learning. Thank you.